Communication can save a life or cost one. In healthcare, it's not just helpful, it's essential. Every word shared, every message passed, carries weight. Listening to patients is as important as speaking. A quiet nod, a gentle tone, a clear explanation. These small acts build trust and ease fear. When doctors and nurses exchange accurate information, lives are protected. There are different types of communication in nursing. Verbal communication includes words, tone, and how we say things. Nonverbal communication involves facial expressions, posture, and gestures that speak without words. Written communication keeps records clear, from patient charts to medication reports. Visual communication uses signs, color codes, or charts to make messages instantly understandable. Each type plays a vital role in safe, effective care. But communication isn't always easy. Barriers can appear, like language differences, emotional stress, noise, or unclear instructions. These challenges can cause confusion or even mistakes in care. Nurses must recognize these barriers and respond calmly. Using simple words, active listening, and checking understanding can break down those walls. Overcoming communication barriers is essential to keeping patients safe and informed. Effective communication improves teamwork and builds stronger nurse-patient relationships. It reduces errors, shortens hospital stays, and improves recovery. Patients feel heard and supported, which lowers anxiety and increases trust. For nurses, clear communication means better collaboration and more confident decision-making. In every shift, in every room, communication shapes care, one word at a time. Clear communication in nursing isn't just helpful, it's life-saving. It builds respect between patients and professionals, reduces misunderstandings, and improves teamwork. When nurses speak clearly and listen carefully, care becomes safer and more effective. Patients feel more involved in their recovery, and colleagues work with greater confidence. In the end, communication holds every piece of care together. It connects nurses, supports patients, and builds the trust that defines true healing. If you found this helpful, please like, share, and comment. Don't forget to subscribe and follow for more quick health tips.